Hey guys, it's Amos here, and I just cannot wait to show you guys some of my singing videos, and here is one of them. It's from B. Miller, Force of Nature, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And if you guys are getting tired of saying, oh my god, Amos here is the awesome or something, you guys could call me Yaya. That's Yaya if you cannot spell it. Everyone calls me that, so I wanted you guys to join my family over here. Come on, just join in, like and subscribe so you guys could join in, and you guys could call me Yaya. So before I go, please like and subscribe and comment down below what other videos or singing videos I should do. So here we go. Enjoy. I don't know why, but my hands are shaking. I can see you coming and I stand here waiting. Yeah, I get tongue-tied in a conversation. It's an effed up 6-6 situation. I try to tie my heart down, board up all my windows, oh, but it's too late. Now I let you get too close. I know I should take cover, hide behind these four walls, but baby, I surrender it all. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't want to run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. Ooh. Force of nature. I feel your lips moving and they pull me under. You know just what to do to make me want you. And I know I'll be broken when it's over, but I can't help but pull you closer. I try to tie my heart down, my windows late. Now I let you get too close. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't want to run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. Take it, force of nature. Ooh. Ooh. I'll be here till we collide. If I survive, so crash into me one more time. Yeah. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look what you've done. Taste the danger, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. Caution taker, force of nature. Ooh, baby, you're a force of nature. Yeah, you're a force of nature. Hope you guys like it. Please enjoy.